Hi, I'm Zozan. I'm 50 years old woman. I'm coming from Canada. I never have any experience before. I have 4 kids. I decided to start to work. I search on the internet which school is best. I have a lot of phone call and a lot of research. I went there for 4 days for training class and for exam. I saw the school is really professional and I grew up my business every day. In 8 months, I'm doing this business. I have a 45 climb and every day I have a new climb. My climb is called the other climb because we are doing the really gorgeous job. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy to go to MFS school. I don't know how many times I say thank you so much, Christos and his team. In the Turkish community, we have a lot of restaurants in Toronto. And we are just one company, exhaust system cleaning company. We are just one. I call the Turkish restaurant because the Christos teach us a lot of information. You catch the job. I use all the skills because we have NFPA 96 certification. He teach us a lot of skills. And I use all of them. And I get my first job, our climb to call other climb. And every time we get a new climb. And also we do equipment cleaning too. We get a certification from MFS equipment cleaning. This is really helpful because when we get a restaurant, we clean the exhaust hood system cleaning, and our customer, they needed fry machine or oven equipment cleaning, and we get second job. We started some customer for equipment cleaning. Now the other customer call us, and we have a couple of months. Last month we have a more than before equipment cleaning. When I started this job, I'm nervous. I thinking, oh, I'm a woman, and this job is man job. If I can do it or I cannot, I'm a little nervous. But I believe myself, and I start, and I apply. I learn all the skills, and when I have some problem, I contact my school. They explain me everything. They helpful until I'm comfortable to go to my job. Now I say thanks God to I started this business. This is my first business and I'm so happy. Nobody say, we cannot do it, or my age or this, or I'm woman or something is this. Don't say, just think and start and do it. Do your job is best, follow all the instruction, contact your school, and in the couple of months, you close your eyes and do your job and make money. I can imagine I'm open my own company, I have a worker, and you can do everything. I support my family with this business, and I believe my business is grow up every day is better than other days. The teacher Christos, I think I can say he's king of the exhaust hood system. He's the best one. He teach us a lot of his experience, skills, and the problem, at the moment, some problem happened, what we need to do or what we're not doing. He teach us everything step by step. And in the school, before I'm nervous, but I'm comfortable because I think I can do it. 4 days is finished and I get my certificate. I want to come back to Canada and I start to prepare my job and everything. When I get my first job, I saw is some different system because exhaust system, they have a lot of system, old system, new system. And I call my teacher because when training class, he told us when you have some problem, you can call us free every time you can call. And I call my teacher and I can't believe it. He told me to say, send a picture and video. I thought he texted me the message to say, okay, do this. But he called me, I think 45 minutes. In the daytime, 45 minutes, he's on the phone and he explained me everything step by step. And I say, okay, thank you so much. He said, no, listen, you have to do this. You don't touch here. He explained step by step everything. And my first job was great. I got a 5-star from my job. And this is make me comfortable for next my job. I owe him a lot. Thank you so much, Christos.